Hi, I'm Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Would you like to know the 3 M's that are universal principles for successful trading? Stay tuned, we're going to be going over those next. Hi, I'm Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. We're going to be talking about Brent Penfold's book, The Universal Principles of Successful Trading, and the 3 M's: money management, methodology, and mindset. Now, if you haven't read Brent's book, I highly recommend it. Very critical information in Brent's book. He's been around for a long time, and he's been a successful trader, and he's one of the few people, if the only person that I know, that bears all on his website and shows his complete trading history, winning and losing trades day to day as he places them. So, key factor with Brent, number 1, money management. You need to understand what he calls your risk of ruin. And if you're not familiar with that term, you can probably Google it or look it up on the internet. There's lots of sites out there that show the basic formula. Brent really stresses that factor completely. It took me a long time to really grasp that information. But unless you understand your risk of ruin, chances are you're on your way to destroying your trading account. It takes in a couple of factors, but essentially what you need to be understanding is that your trading system needs to be run in terms of your probabilities and your money management to ensure that you're not going to destroy yourself with a string of losses or with an equity curve that's on its way down. So, number 2, methodology. Well, that's a lot of times people are out there constantly looking for the holy grail of trading, and we'll talk about that in another video. But if you're looking for that holy grail and you're looking for the perfect entry and exit, chances are you will drive yourself insane trying to do that, as most of us have as part of our journey. But the key factor number 1 is money management. You can have probably a below average methodology in terms of your entries and exits, but if your money management rules and you have your risk of ruin calculations there, chances are you can still have a profitable trading system. Number 3, mindset or psychology. You need to understand that trading is about probabilities and not about being right or wrong. If you're constantly attaching yourself to the outcome of each individual trades, that's where the emotional pitfalls can come into place. Moving your stop loss, not placing a stop loss, taking on too large of a position in a revenge trading after losses, or trying to double up or triple up on a position, or averaging into a losing position, trying to make up where you've already had a loss. 3 key essential factors for successful trading. These are universal principles that apply to all markets for all traders. So if you haven't read this book, Brent Penfold, in my perspective, is probably the most cut and dry person in terms of things being black and white. And if you haven't read that, I highly recommend getting it. I'll put the link below. But again, the 3 M's that are universal principles for successful trading: money management, methodology, and mindset. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like or share it on Facebook, I'd appreciate it. I'd love to hear some of your comments and feedback. If you haven't gone to the other articles on the blog, please do so and enjoy. Always trade in your own best interest, and may the markets go with you. I'm Stacey Burke. Hi traders, thanks for stopping by, and please feel free to leave a comment. And before you go, head over to staceyburketrading.com. I create training and updates on a daily basis, and I would love for you to get these. So just enter your name and your email address, and you'll receive my free audio, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. And before you leave a comment on Facebook and share with your friends.